Have you ever felt like your finances are a tangled mess? Bills piling up, savings dwindling, and no clear picture of where your money's going? Well, you're not alone. But what if there was a financial tool that could help you take control of your money, save more, and even earn some cash back? That's where Koho comes in. Koho is more than just a debit card. It's a financial management platform designed to help you simplify your financial life. With features like cashback rewards, budgeting tools, and round-up savings, Koho can be a game changer for anyone looking to improve their financial health. But how do you actually get your hands on this magical card? That's what we're here to break down today. How to apply for a Koho card. Before we dive into the application process, let's quickly touch on the types of Koho cards available. There's the standard Koho card, which is great for building credit and earning cash back. Then there's the Koho Premium card, which offers higher cash back rates, exclusive perks, and other premium features. Okay, let's get down to business. Here's how to apply for your Koho card. Download the Koho app. The first step is to download the Koho app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. It's a sleek, user-friendly app that will be your main hub for managing your Koho account. Create an account. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll need to create a Koho account. This involves providing some basic personal information, such as your name, date of birth, and email address. Link a bank account. To verify your identity and start using your Koho card, you'll need to link a bank account. This is a standard procedure for most financial services and helps Koho ensure you're who you say you are. Complete the application. The next step is to fill out the Koho card application. Be prepared to provide information about your income, employment, and financial history. Don't worry, the application is straightforward and shouldn't take too long. Identity verification. To comply with financial regulations, Koho will need to verify your identity. This typically involves providing a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Wait for approval. Once you've submitted your application and completed the identity verification process, it's time to wait for Koho to review your application. Approval times can vary, but you should receive a notification once a decision has been made. Activate your card. If your application is approved, you'll receive your Koho card in the mail. To start using it, you'll need to activate it through the Koho app. Additional tips. Check your credit score. While not always required, having a good credit score can increase your chances of being approved for a Koho card. Be honest, it's essential to be truthful when filling out your application. Providing inaccurate information can lead to account closure. Take advantage of features. Once you have your Koho card, make sure to explore all the features and benefits it offers. From cashback to budgeting tools, Koho can help you reach your financial goals. And there you have it. Applying for a Koho card is a relatively simple process that could potentially transform your financial life. Remember, financial wellness is a journey, not a destination. Koho can be a valuable tool along the way, helping you save, spend smarter, and build a brighter financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.